how to change streaming video quality in Netflix app. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these steps. So first thing you can do is open up your Netflix application onto your device and simply log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface right here, where you can stream movies and CDs and everything. So from the given interface, all you gotta do is simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And once you tap on profile, you will be finding these options on your screen. Now from the given options, you may scroll over and look for the option called app settings from the option. So just go ahead and tap on app settings. Once you tap on app settings, you will be taken to this section. Now all you gotta do in order to stream the video in higher quality, tap on the very first option, which is video playback, and select the first option, which is cellular data usage. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, we have this automatic option. All you gotta do is simply turn off the option and select up the option called maximum data. This one right here. So just go ahead and select up the maximum data option once you turn it off. And once that is done, you should be able to stream movies in higher quality. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.